Back in 1950, she was numbered 611. She's the finest in steam. She's the pride of the NNW, and she rolls again today. She's the finest steam train ever built, the 611 Class J. And on the run over the mountains up Christiansburg Way, no train could ever pull that hill like the 611 Class J. See the stack belching smoke, feel the rhythm of the wheels. She's poetry in motion on the roadway made of steel. She's the pride of the NNW, and she rolls again today. She's the finest steam train ever built, the 611 Class J. Well, she served the road with pride until that mournful